I'm Congressman Tim Ryan. I would like to first thank the Citizens Committee for a reliable and affordable public transportation system, for all of their hard work in promoting this levy and beating the streets to make sure that our seniors and our community has this wonderful asset, this wonderful transportation system here. I remember when this first started in Niles and now has blossomed into really a multi-dimensional transportation system where social service agencies, schools are all participating in what we're doing here. And my support is behind this levy to make sure that we continue this system. It has provided a wonderful service for our seniors and others throughout the past few years, and it's something that we really treasure. It's really a good example of how governments at different levels and different communities can really come together and work on behalf of the citizens in their own community. So I want to thank obviously the Mayor of Niles, who this was his brainchild way back when, the Trumbull County Commissioners for showing their leadership here, and all of the communities that are participating. Thank you. Anything I can do from here on out to continue to promote this system, you have my continued support, and good luck as you beat the streets over the course of the next few weeks.
As you know, transportation is very important in our everyday lives. We don't live in villages anymore, so if we want to go to the doctor's office or shopping, get groceries, we need transportation. Those of us who have cars complain about the price of gas, but think about those who don't have access to a car. They have to rely on public transportation and friends, and that's what this program is all about. Providing transportation to those in need for medical services, for shopping, even for recreational purposes. And it's a good program. It deserves your support, and it's going to help improve the lives of a lot of people in this area.
Well, this benefits people who really hit the most, the elderly and the less fortunate, and with the cuts in the transportation that we're seeing from the state level, they really need this service, and it really helps out. I mean, they get to go to their doctor's appointments, they get to go to school. I mean, life-changing events. This service is really great for the people of Trumbull County, and I fully support it.
Hi, my name is Thomas Conley, president of the Greater Warren Youngstown Urban League. I want to express my thoughts on this levy. This is something that's needed for our community. Of course, transportation has always been an issue, and we need to be able to transport our elderly. We need to transport people of low income status, and it's very much needed. The Urban League supports this, and we want you to as well.
This transportation is very vital to my community as well as the others, because we have a lot of seniors in our area that don't have transportation or no longer drive, and it's important, as well as the students in our area, for programs, after-school programs. So it's a very vital program that we need to stand behind and enforce.
Actually, the demand for transportation has grown rapidly over the last 4 years since I've started as commissioner. Not only for seniors, but for the disabled, and especially people who are getting $9, $10, $11, $12 an hour jobs who don't have cars to transport themselves to work. So these people need transportation. Without NITS or a transportation program, it's impossible for them to get to work. The county really doesn't have the finances to finance a transportation system. The cut in federal and state funds puts us in a position where we have to watch every dollar, and money isn't there for transportation. The levy is very important for not only senior citizens, but for all of our citizens for transportation.
First of all, I'd like to thank the Levy Committee for putting on this effort. I think it's very important for our citizens and our communities to know how important and how vital this service is for everybody in Trumbull County. Little is known that Warren, Trumbull County are the leaders in the state and the nation in providing this kind of on-demand service. It's important that we get together and continue that effort. From my standpoint, Warren, who is the biggest and largest beneficiary of this service, we provide care, quality transportation, safe, affordable transportation to all of our constituents, whether they're seniors or students. We very rarely need this service for our citizens.
This is an essential service that we cannot afford to lose.
I would urge the people of Trumbull County to support the levy for this vitally important transportation program. We have such a program that can assist transportation for the elderly, assist transportation for the disabled, assist transportation for the children of our community, and most importantly, assist transportation for the general public. For just a few dollars a year, we'll be able to enhance our transportation needs. We'll be really able to have a reliable transportation, an economical transportation, and something that Trumbull County has learned to respect and enjoy. And we continue this levy campaign. It's vitally important that the people of Trumbull County support this campaign effort.
We really support this levy because the seniors of the community need this transit, and it will also help relieve the senior services levy, and we're very much in favor of it. There are many seniors who will use this in the future because our community is growing a lot older. Many more people will need it. So we really support it and hope you will vote for it.
And our clients just so much need these rides that these providers are going to give us. The mobility management program, the transportation that will come out of this levy if passed is needed by people who need to get to counseling appointments, the kids who need to get to their groups, seniors who need to get to their programs, and even our provider agencies. So many of us live in and among these areas, and we could take this ride to work and save money from carpooling. There's just so many opportunities here for our community. So we appreciate this opportunity.
Transportation is an important part of my life as being mayor for 20 years. I created this transportation in 2003 after the county could not afford to run it any longer. I picked it up because I cared about my seniors here in the community of Niles, and from this point on to where we are in 2012, we've expanded to every community in Trumbull County, and this levy is very important to have dedicated funds so we can go out and get FTA money, federal dollars to match. So we'll have transportation for our seniors, dialysis people, our schools, after-school programs for children, and for the public at large. So that's very important. This 0.5 millage passes on November 8th.
My name is James Floyd, and I've had the privilege of just being appointed as the chairman of the newly formed Trumbull County Transit Board. It's a board of 7 members who have been given the responsibility pursuant to state law to form and to administer a Trumbull County Transit Board. The levy is very important to the administration of that board's activities to maintain the level of busing and improve on the level of busing, which have been so fortunate that the city of Niles has to date administered. The concept of the Trumbull County Transit Board is to expand and to provide a greater opportunity of this unique transportation system in Trumbull County, which is one of the few counties in the whole United States, to my understanding, where we have portal, meaning picked up at your residence to your ultimate destination, which is certainly enhances and on nature, the geographic area in which we live, the capacity of people to get to where they should be and on time. Thank you. Please, let's hope that this levy passes.
I think we are certainly at a crossroads in Trumbull County with our transportation system. It is very critical that we pass the upcoming levy. And there are just so many additional services that our citizens need, and we can't let this opportunity pass us without providing those services. And it includes services for not only senior citizens, disabled, but I'm also concerned about the opportunity it's going to provide for the thousands of students in our 20 school districts. So this is very important. I think communications is a real key, and we've got to continue to communicate to all our citizens the opportunities and all the things that we can provide. We can be on the cutting edge of transportation in the valley, and I think this is our opportunity to do that.